teaching research and extension, in addition to encouraging entrepreneurship and internationalization, assures the Catholic University of Brasília as one of the best universities in Brazil. Multidisciplinary teams of internationally recognized master's and doctor's professors in the academic field, and with the extensive experience in the job market, students have the opportunity to broaden their scientific and professional knowledge with the reality of each profession. A variety set of learning spaces and experiences that goes far beyond the classroom. At the Catholic University of Brasília, through a number of dynamic and participative methodologies, future professionals graduated in our institution are encouraged to develop citizenship, intellectual autonomy, entrepreneurial thinking, and critical sense, which reflect in a research, protagonist, and innovation attitude when acting professionally. From the scientific and cultural point of view, research activities are necessary for the generation of innovative processes, products, and services that contribute to the social and economic development of the country. All this makes the Catholic University of Brasília a pioneer university in the region by bringing new perspectives of professional training updated with the market and in a complete physical structure. In the terms of research, the wide scientific production and infrastructure of our laboratories place us in the same level of excellency with other leading universities in Brazil and in the world. Every year, about 150 research projects are developed and more than 250 students participate in scientific and technological initiation. The Catholic University of Brasília is an institution that offers the best possibilities for the integral formation of the professional who will act in a dynamic and transforming society. The experience of extension contributes to the advancement of the practical application of the entire theoretical base developed within the classroom. The student of the Catholic University of Brasília receives a complete formation in the field of the technique, of the science, and in the purpose of human values, orientated by the ethics and the appreciation of the greater good, that is the life. Through practices and projects aimed at the community, each activity becomes a learning laboratory for students. Students broaden their experiences outside Brazil through a network of partner universities. After all, knowledge is to be shared with the world. Talking about the world, it is with great honor that the Catholic University of Brasília participates in this meeting to discuss environmental issues together with the World Commission on Environmental Law. In this panel, we synthesize some of the issues of our world and the environment: greenhouse effect, preservation of culture and forests, growth of urban areas and its consequences if we do not take some effective attitude towards the environment.